What's Uncle doing?
Look it. Ready? Ready? Oh. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh. You ready? Oh. Are you ready? You gonna try to hit it? Here, you try it. You try with the stick. Hit the ball. Hit the ball. Oh!
Nice shot.
Hit the ball. Stand up.
Put it in front of him, sure.
Stand up like a big boy.
There, yeah.
Stand up like a big boy.
Because you know what? He does a lot of stuff with his left hand, eh? Which is kind of...
Look, get the ball. Oh, look. There you go. Hit it. Oh, nice shot. Hit it. Oh. Get your stick. Are you ready to hit the ball?
Oh, there you go. I'll hit a dog if you want.
Ball's over here, look.
Hit the ball, buddy.
Ball's over here.
Hit the ball.
Get the ball.
He kicks it. Yay.
Look, there's the ball.